Hi friends, we already discussed some problems in previous video up to 90 sums. Today we discuss from starting 93. So in this type of questions there are two topics are there. From 93 to 102 one topic is it will cover, and from 103 to 112 it will cover another topic. So let's discuss one by one. First one, how to express it in percentage x. So just you have to x by 100. Okay, if we want to express anything in percent, then you have to just divide by 100. Okay, now for example, if I want to express a by b in percent, so just write down a by b into 100. Okay, clear? So it will come like this. Now how to express 1 by 4 as a percent? Just you have to multiply with 100 only. So 1 by 4 into 100. Okay, so you get percentage. This all come in percentage. Now we have to express 56% as in fraction. Okay, so just write down 56. If we want to express in percentage in fraction, then 56 by 100. Okay, so in 4 table, tell me 4 ones are 4, so it comes 14 by 25. So answer will be 14 by 25. Okay, clear everyone? Now I want to express 0.6% in fraction. So 0.6 by 100. Okay, so, but decimal part is there, so we have to remove decimal part. So multiply with 10 and multiply 10, so you get 6 by 1000. So you can cancel, then you get 3 by 500. Okay, same like this only, express 6% as a decimal. So how to 6 by 100? So we can write now 0.06. Okay, clear? See, these topics are based upon on percentage and how to convert from percentage to decimal or percentage to fractions. Okay, so now what the percentage of 2 in 50 is? So just 2 by 50 into 100. Okay, this is the answer. So 0 cancel, 1 time, 2 time. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so the answer is 99 is 4. Clear? Now what is the 5% of x? Now 5% of x, how to write percentage? I already told you, 5 by 100 of into x. So 5x by 100. Okay, I hope you clear. See, 5% I am writing 5 by 100 into x. So 5x by 100. Clear? Now 3x, 3% of x. Same only. 3 by 100 into x. So it comes 3x by 100. Okay? Clear everyone? Now 102. 3 by 8 is what part of 1 by 12? Say 3 by 8 is given. What is a part of 1 by 12? Okay? So just reverse that one. So 3 by 8 into 12 by 1. Okay? So this 2 time, this 3 time. So 3 3s are 9 by 2 into 1, 2. So 9 by 2. Okay? So this from 93 to 102 are based upon the percentages, how to convert. Okay? So from 103 to 112, you have to remember one thing, BODMAS rule. You have to remember one thing, BODMAS rule. Okay? So I will start from 103. Say, BODMAS means, B means bracket. Okay? O means opposite, and D means decimal, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, remember. Okay, everyone, you have to remember these things. Okay, so now we discuss one by one. Let's start with 103 problem. 100 plus 50 into 2. So which one will come first? Multiplication or addition? Multiplication will come first. So multiply first. So 100 plus 50 into 2, 100. So it comes 200. Clear? It is easy, but so many students will do mistakes. First he will do 100 plus 50. It comes 150 into 2, 300. But answer is 200. Okay? Now, let's take 104. 3080 plus 616 divided by 28. See, this 104 question. First you have to bracket. First of all, you have to do brackets. Add these two. Okay? So, if you add 616 plus 3080, then 0429. You get 9240 divided by 28. If you divide this two, then you get 330. Clear? You get 330. Now let's take 105. 105 is 5004 divided by 139 divided by 6. If we divide these two, then we get 36. Okay, why I am doing because, sorry, this is minus, because why I am doing division first? Because division will come first, okay, as compared to subtraction. That is why I am doing division part first. Minus 6, so you get 30. Clear? Now let's go to 106 problem. 106 is, you just open the brackets. So minus 5 into 4 into 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. See, 2 ones are 2 ones are, 4 ones are 4 ones are, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 1 5, 5 threes are 15. So it will come 15. But minus becomes plus. So answer is 15. Okay, I hope you clear. Now let's go to 107 problem. You have to remember this one, okay? Okay. So 107 problem. 2 minus bracket 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2 bracket. Okay, so we have to find the value here. So 2 minus, first inner brackets you have to solve. 2 minus 2, 4. Okay, now 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 4, 8. Okay, so it comes like this. Now 2 minus 2 minus 2. Now plus minus will be minus. So 6. Minus sign will come because 8 is a bigger number than 2. Okay. Now 2 minus 2. So here minus minus becomes plus. So plus 6. Okay. Now 2 minus 8. So you get minus 6 because plus minus will be minus. Which number will be greater? 8 is greater. So minus sign will come. Clear? Now let's go for 108 problem. Okay, this is 108. Okay, it's 107. Now 108 problem. 45 minus 28 minus 37 minus 15 minus x, okay, is equal to 58. So just write down step by step. 45 minus 28, sorry, this is big bracket, minus 37. Now open the brackets. Minus 15, minus minus becomes plus x, okay, is equal to 58. Clear? So now 45 minus 28. Now solve the brackets. 37 minus 15, it comes 22 plus x, bracket 58. Okay, now 45 minus 28 minus, now open the brackets, 22 minus plus will be minus. Okay, clear everyone? So minus x is equal to 58. Okay, now 48 minus 28 minus 22, it comes 6, minus x is equal to 58. Now again open the brackets, 45 minus 6, minus minus becomes plus, is equal to 58. Okay, now 45 minus 6, 39, plus x is equal to 58. Now this part, both that side becomes minus, so x is equal to 58 minus 39, it comes 19. So x is equal to 19. Clear everyone? Okay, let's go for 109 problem. Say 109 problem. Remember, I already said you how to use board mass. So first write down question. 109. 4 plus 4 into 18 minus 6 minus 8 by 123 into 6 minus 146 into 5. Okay. Now board mass tells that first of all multiplication will come as compared to this addition and subtraction. So multiply 4 plus 18 into 4. How much? 32, 72 will come. Okay. Minus 6 minus 8. Divided by, now 123 into 6. 18, 12, 13, 7. 738 will come. Okay. Now again minus 146 into 5. 30, 20, 23, 7. So it comes 730. Okay. Now which one will come? Addition first will come or subtraction? Addition will come. So 76 minus 8, minus 6 8 by 738 minus 730, it comes 8. Okay. Now 76 minus plus minus will be minus. So 70 minus 8 by 8. So it comes 62 by 8. So this is 2 times 4, 2 4s are 8 and 31. So it comes 31 by 4. Okay, clear everyone? This is a 109 problem. Now let's go for 110 problem. See 5 by 6 minus 3, 8 by 9 minus x is equal to 1. See, remember, first of all, this is a mixed fraction. So convert into fractions. So you know how to convert. 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 5, 30 plus 5, 35. By 6 minus 9 into 3, 27. 27 plus 5, 35. By 9. Minus x is equal to 1. Now take LCM. What is the LCM of 6 and 9? 18. Okay, everyone know how to take LCM. 3s are, 2s are, 3s are. So it comes 18. Okay. So 18 6 are 3. 3 into 35. It comes 105. Minus 18 into 18 divided by 2. It comes 2. 2 into 35, 70. Minus 18x is equal to 1. Okay. Now I am sending this part here. So if division part both that side becomes multiplication. Plus minus will be minus. So 35 minus 18x is equal to how much? 18. Okay. Now this plus goes that side becomes minus. Otherwise you can send this part also. This part send here and this plus will come that side. So plus 35 minus 18 is equal to 18x. Okay. So 35 minus 18, 17. 17 is equal to 18x. So x is equal to 17 by 18. Okay. Clear everyone? Now let's go for 111 problem. Let's go to 111 problem. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x is equal to 4. First of all, first send this x part that side and this plus 4 will come that side. Okay. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Take LCM now. What is the LCM? 3 and 2 and 1? 6. So 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 plus 3, 3 minus 24. Because 6 divided by 1, 6. 6 into 4, 24 is equal to 1 by x. Now 5 minus 24 by 6 is equal to 1 by x. Okay, and remember this plus will go, that's why it becomes minus. Okay, now minus 19 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by x. Now minus minus will be cancelled. Now cross multiply. 19 into x is equal to 6 into 1. 6 into 1 means 6 only. Okay, now this multiplication part both that side becomes division. Clear? So this is 111 problem. Let's go to the last problem, 112. 2 by 3 divided by 5 by x is equal to 2. We have to find the x value. See, remember one thing, if division part is there and in fractions are there, you just convert, you just reverse the denominator to numerator and numerator will come to denominator. So 2 by 3 into x by 5 direct. Okay, just I am reversing. Now 2 into x, 2x by 15 is equal to 2. Okay, now cross multiply. 1 into anything, you get 2x only is equal to 15 into 2, 30. 15 into 2, 30. Now x is equal to 30 by 2. This one time, 15 times. So x is equal to 15. Okay, I hope you clear that how to. There are two topics. First one is a conversion of percentage into fractions and decimals. Okay, and second one is a BODMAS rule. So that you keep practicing and solve. Okay, clear everyone? Thank you.